Hello guys, welcome back to my new video. So guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to make your passport size photo within 1 minute. This is the website Cutout Pro. You can also use on your mobiles. So I'm going to show you and explain you how it works. So you can upload an image right over here. For example, I will upload this image. So guys, as you can see over here, this image is over here. If you want, you can even change the background color. You can see, and if you want, you can also change the clothing. What are you wearing? So you can see it's all more close right over here. You can select for a woman. Also it is over here, it is for a man. Okay, this is not like perfect size. Okay, this looks little nice. You can see also for children's. So guys, once it's done over here, you can select how many copies you want. You can see, you can select how many copy you want from here. I will go for 4, and you can also select the size. You can select the photo size, and after that, if you are done, just click on done. And you can download in HD, and you can take a printout right over here. My photo has come right over here, you can see, and you can take out printout. So guys, that's what this website works. It was very easy and simple. So if you enjoyed this video, please like and don't forget to subscribe, and thanks for watching.